ahead and take the Subaru. We're gonna figure out what's wrong. Supposedly the passenger side ABS wheel sensor is currently not working as it should, so it's not allowing me to boost over. Once it hits like 4,500 RPMs, it kind of like cuts. I don't know why. I don't know if anyone else has ever experienced that problem on a Subaru, but if so, go ahead, message me, message us, you know, describing what happened, so I can go ahead and see if I can better, you know, pinpoint the problem and see what we can do moving forward. But all in all, we're gonna go ahead to Cre8tive Motorsports. We're gonna have them check it out, and let's go. Got her here, safe and sound. We have arrived at Cre8tive Motorsports. We have wonderful cars here all the time, so definitely love coming here. Take a look at this VTR. It's crazy. Man, that's wild, that's wild. But this car is great. Legendary at its finest, Nissan's greatest. And yeah. Shout out to my boy Brian out here. Type R living. It's different, but it's so nice. Oh shit. And a wild Honda appears. Oh, man. Another Cre8tive Motorsports Honda. It's crazy. So I want to thank Cre8tive Motorsports. We definitely got the ABS light off, and of course that devil check engine light has came back on, but we did find out what it is pointing to. One option would be the idle air control valve or the throttle position sensor. We're not too sure. We're gonna go ahead and try to trace down the problem step by step, figure it out, get it back to going. We should be well off in the game. Pretty excited. I really want to get this car back to a real nice status. And I miss driving this as much as I drive the Miata. But all in all, she's still driving. Love her, you know, you gotta love her still. But she's gonna get better. And in time, she will definitely be back to where she needs to be. I'm just glad it's not something too crazy, such as internal. It's more like just, you know, loosely, just missing some air somewhere. Obviously, I'm on the freeway, doing just fine. No lights, no codes. So, all in all, definitely coming in What's up, boy?
Yo, what up?
Doing good, doing good. All right, why don't you just show us what's up? Oh God. Woo-wee. Oh my God. Yeah. See, mine doesn't do that. At least not right now. But Jesus, like, I love her. Hey, what was her name again?
Lucy Lou.
Nasty girl to shake her ass to the beat. Clap, clap, ski. Is all I really wanna do, but she don't come cheat.
Lucy Lou. That is who we're in right now. You know, one more time. This is my boy, Cam's WRX. 2003. I don't know what the yellow color code is called, but it's definitely one of the yellow Subarus. Very nice, love it. You don't see these often. It does have the STI tachometer. Oh my God. Woo. Damn. Catches you by surprise every time. Love it though.
Every time.
Love it though.